Hi, welcome to my theatre. It's not a home theatre, it's a theatre and we have built a home around it. So that is how I feel about the output of this entire 2 to 3 months of work that went into this room. Me and my dad, we are like completely crazy movie people. So for us, watching a movie is just not watching a movie, it's all about the sound, the special effects and everything. From an early age, we were crazy about music, me and my dad. When we built our new house, we dedicated an entire room. We didn't know anything, so we started going into this audio expos and everything. DTS, and then there is this Dolby Atmos, where we came across a new sound technology called Auro 3D, and it was like, wow, this is what we want to have. And so the next big question is, how do we get it? Prices over there, what we saw over there was mind-blowing. I mean, I knew, my dad knew we cannot afford anything like that. And then we met Mr. Murugan, who set up this place for us. Mr. Murugan, he suggested us how we can do it and what is the best way to do it, in fact. If it was not for Mr. Murugan, we would have gone in for a normal speakers, maybe a 7.2 surround system, and be like, yes, we have a theatre, a home theatre. But now with help of Mr. Murugan, it's not a home theatre, sorry, it's a theatre and we have built our home around it. Before we started off with Auro 3D, we had been to a couple of dealers looking for demos to pick up speakers and the amps and everything. So when we started off, our experience was we were in the room and the sound was hitting us. The experience is like completely different. You can feel the sound hitting you. It's not like you're enjoying the sound, it's more like you want to get out of the room or reduce the volume and watch it. But now when we sit in our theatre over here, it is like you're inside a bubble and the sound is around you. So you don't feel that uneasiness where the sound hits you, the bass hits you. But it's like you are comfortably seated in a bubble and you can hear each and everything. Like the songs that I listen to, yeah, I never knew there were so many instruments playing in the background. Now I listen to it over here, it's like a complete different thing. You can even hear the smallest string of a guitar going, missing a note or something like that. But then, yes, the experience is like totally different. Hats off to Mr. Murugan. But what makes Mr. Murugan completely different from other vendors or other architects out there is perfectionist. Yes, that's the word. It's the perfection that he gives into every small detail, which is, I've never seen anyone work like that. It is these small perfections that he gets out is what makes the outcome a total beautiful experience altogether. So when everything was set up, the first demo that was played was Vishwarupam. So I came in, I sat down, and you can literally feel it was like there is actually a helicopter going above you. We were like, oh my god, what is happening over here? One thing that I really liked is Revenant. We were playing Revenant on our demos CDs, and there is one particular scene where the arrow moves from a distance to and hits a boat behind the actor. That scene, I was just sitting here and I could feel the arrow come in front of me and then go behind me. So the sound was just like amazing. You could feel the sound move up and then hit the board behind you. So that particular scene, I watched it close to 3 to 4 times and then it was like boom, boom. So that was like an amazing experience.